Hello, Bacho. Let us look into the question. The question says that we have to match the following. So, the columns are column 1 and column 2, exon, intron, genetic code and DNA packaging. So, basically हमें इनसे related terminologies को match कराना है. So, we will be looking into it. The key concept is the molecular aspect of the genetic material. Let us look into it. Whenever we talk about the molecular aspect, we study the genes, we study the mRNA, we study its expression along with the DNA. So, in the question, it is asking that exon, let us match it. We are well aware of the fact that exon and intron both are the part of hnRNA. This is the coding sequence or coding region, and this is the non-coding region, and later on it is spliced out. When we talk about the genetic code are basically, we are well aware of it, that AUG, the most well-known genetic code, which is given by 3 bases on mRNA. Suppose this is mRNA 5' to 3', AUG, GUG, GGC, CCU, UUC, CAA, AUT. So these are the codons present at this mRNA. Now, what is the genetic codon? In a frame when 3 codons, so you can say 3 bases are included, 3 bases that are not separated by any punctuation mark, that is called as genetic code. That forms a genetic code. Suppose this first one is a genetic code that codes for methionine. Let us look into it further. When we talk about the DNA packaging, we have studied that how the DNA packaging takes place. Suppose this is the 2-strand. Now it gets coiled around each other. After the coiling, it gets attached to the histone protein. Suppose this is the histone protein forming a beads on string model. Now moving further, it will become more closer. This is how it will be looking somehow. And in the same way, it will be forming a chromosome at the end, the most condensed form. It will be forming a chromatin. It is found in nucleosome. So, DNA packaging talks about the nucleosome. Let us look into it and match the options. When we talk about matching the options, exon is the basically coding sequence. Intron is the non-coding sequence. Genetic material or genetic code is a triplet bases on mRNA that we have discussed over here, and DNA packaging talks about the nucleosome. So let us match the columns with the options itself. A first, B second, third and fourth. So option C is the correct answer. We will be summarizing it by saying that option C is the correct answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.